Hello students. So next topic of our third chapter is kurtosis. First definition of kurtosis. Kurtosis is defined as the property of distribution which express flatness or relative pickedness of frequency curve. Next, types of kurtosis. First is the mesokurtic. The distributions having thickness equal to that of normal distributions are called mesokurtic distribution. Next, leptokurtic. The distribution having more peak than that of normal distribution is called as leptokurtic. And last is the platykurtic distribution. It has less peak than that of normal distribution. Then the distribution is called as plateaukurtic distribution. So suppose this is normal distribution and leptokurtic is that the distribution having more peak than normal distribution, that this is normal distribution, more peak, that is this is more peak, so this is leptokurtic. And platykurtic distribution is it has less peak than that of normal distribution. This is normal distribution is mesokurtic and this is leptokurtic. And third is the less than normal, this normal, so less than normal, that is the this, so this is called as plateaukurtic. So this graph indicates that types of kurtosis. First, mesokurtic, that is normal distribution. Leptokurtic is the more peak than normal distribution, and plateaukurtic, that is less peak than normal distribution. Next, measure of kurtosis. Beta 2 is equal to mu 4 upon mu 2 square and gamma 2 is equal to b2 minus 3. That next, interpretation. If beta 2 is greater than 3, that is gamma 2 greater than 0, the distribution is called as leptokurtic. If beta 2 is equal to 3, that is gamma 2 is equal to 0, the distribution is mesokurtic. And third last is the if beta 2 less than 3, that is gamma 2 less than 0, the distribution is plateaukurtic. Now the example. So first example is the variance of a distribution is 14. What should be the value of fourth central moment so that distribution will be mesokurtic and leptokurtic? So here we have to given that variance of distribution and we have to calculate fourth central moment for mesokurtic and leptokurtic. There are four central moment. First is mu1, second mu2, third mu3, fourth mu4, and we have to calculate fourth central moment. So solution, given that variance of distribution, that is sigma square, which is also mu2, which is equal to 14, and we have to calculate if the distribution is mesokurtic. If the distribution is mesokurtic. If distribution is mesokurtic, then beta 2 is equal to 3, and we know that kurtosis distribution is mu 4 upon mu 2 square, which is equal to 3. We have to calculate mu 4 and value of mu 2 is 14, so 14 square, which is equal to 3. Mu 4 upon 14 square is 196, which is equal to 3, and mu 4 is equal to 3 into 196, which is equal to 588. And next is the if the distribution is leptokurtic. If the distribution is leptokurtic, that is then beta 2 is the greater than 3, then beta 2 is mu 4 upon mu 2 square, which is greater than 3. Mu 2 square, that is 14 square. 14 square is 196. 196 is greater than 3. Then mu 4 is greater than 3 into 196 is 588.